Yo, do you want to see a speedrun? This is Link to the Past for the Super Nintendo, and this is the Japanese version. We can beat A Link to the Past in about 2 minutes by using a glitch called fake flippers to swim on land and get out of bounds. A Link to the Past actually has quite a few ways of skipping to the credits of varying speeds and difficulties. The world record is 1 minute and 36 seconds by Camel Creator, which uses a route that's very difficult to execute. There's also a route which beats the game in 3 minutes, which works on any version and is incredibly easy to learn. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video teaching you how to run that version. The fake flippers route is somewhere in the middle, easier than the record route but faster than the easy route. From the start of the run, the game starts a timer which after about 2 minutes will trigger some dialogue to remind you to go into the castle basement. This dialogue takes about 7 seconds to skip, so we're aiming to finish the whole run before that happens. For the fake flippers glitch, we need to fall into water at the same time that we hit a screen transition. The best place for this is on the left hand side of the castle near the guards. We need to walk a pixel-perfect path through the geometry of this cliff, so we're going to use the select button to pause buffer to walk 1 to 2 pixels at a time, and change directions precisely on the right frames to get through the cliff's collision. Once we get close to this guard, we can jump to the left, and by landing in the water and hitting the screen transition at the same time, we trigger the fake flippers glitch and can now swim earlier than intended. If we now swim into this diagonal piece of cliffside and wiggle around in a certain way, Link will slowly inch his way into the cliff, and from here we can start swimming on land and enter this cave. Once inside, we need to follow a certain path to trigger what's called the exploration glitch, which allows you to walk, or in our case swim, out of bounds. All of the indoor areas in the game are on the same map, so once we're out of bounds we can literally swim to the Triforce room to trigger the credits and beat the game. So we're going to swim down and left until we hit a screen transition, then we hold left on this screen until we hear bats, and then switch to holding down until we see this corridor, which we can jump into and head to the left. After a brief cameo by a glitched Ganon, run over, roll credits. Thanks very much for watching, remember to like and follow to send chemicals to my brain which will get me to make more videos, and thanks to the Link to the Past speedrun Discord for helping me learn this run. And remember to let me know if you're interested in learning the easy version of this run for yourself. So long!